Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the canvas size in Krita. Know that adjusting the canvas size changes just the workspace dimensions, not your artwork scale, so you can make your drawing area bigger or smaller while keeping your artwork intact. To do this, open the top menu and go to Image, then Resize Canvas. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus C to open the Resize Canvas dialog. In the Resize Canvas dialog, you'll see fields for width and height. Type the pixel dimensions you want. There's also a Constraint Proportions checkbox if you want to keep the same aspect ratio as you change sizes. Below the size settings is an offset graphic that lets you choose where the existing image sits inside the new canvas size. Click inside that box to anchor your artwork where you want the extra space added or removed. Once you've set the new dimensions and position, click OK. Krita will resize the canvas to your new size without scaling your actual image content. If you're just drawing and want extra space quickly, you can also scroll to the edge of the canvas. An arrow button appears that you can click to extend the canvas in that direction without opening a dialog. And that's how you adjust your canvas size in Krita. Thanks for watching.